Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you on how to change the email display name. A display name in an email serves as an identifier. It helps recipients quickly identify and connect the email with the organization, strengthening its professional identity. It also provides details about the sender. Adding a display name helps maintain brand consistency, boosts the credibility of emails and signed documents. Let's consider a scenario where a manager in a rapidly growing company wants to change their email display name to a more professional one in BoldSign. This change will make it easier for recipients to recognize the sender. Let me show you how to do this. First, I log into BoldSign. I click the Settings option and select Branding. While on the Manage Brands page, I click the context menu that displays a list of options. I choose the Edit Brand option. That directs me to the Edit Brand page. If you do not have a brand, click Create New Brand and add the brand name and the logo. I then move to the Email and Signer page customization section. Here you can specify the from name that will be shown in emails. Sender name is a placeholder that will be replaced by the actual sender name. The default value is sender name by the company name. This makes it easier for your customers to recognize your organization and enhances the professionalism of your documents. I provide the from name sender name via cube flakes. In the preview section, you can see how the from name is going to appear in sent documents. This is how you change the email display name. I then click the Save button. Next, in our example, let's say that after changing the email display name, the manager of the company wants to send out a marketing proposal to a client. Let me show you how to do that. I click the Create New button and select Create New Document. On the document preparation page, I browse for and select a proposal document from my computer by clicking the Browse button. I then enter the recipient's details, including their name and email. I then scroll down to the Document Settings section and select the brand that I have added the new from name to, and click Next. On the configuration page, I drag and drop a signature field and a date signed field and then click Send. The document is sent to the signer. Let us look at this document from the signer's side. The signer receives an email notification about needing to sign a document. We can see the new email display name we set up. This identity helps recipients quickly identify the organization. That's all there is to changing the email display name. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.